Okay, so here's the stuff I'll be using today. USB port, old tools, in case I need a screwdriver or something, upholstery, whatever, panel, removal tools, flashlight. I think that should do it. So we've taken out the left panel, right panel. Only tool I really needed was this right here. The cup holder, I believe, is next. At least the cup holder, or this plate that covers the stick shift. There's a Phillips screw right here. There's another one right there. So I'll remove those two. So this piece right here just clips on the left and right. There are no screws. I had to put this into neutral so I'd have a little wiggle room. It has tabs here, left side, tabs here, right side, and it has tabs here on this cup holder deal. So now that this is out of the way, I can try removing the cup holder and getting to this plate right here. So the cup holder had two screws, those are now gone. Let's see. So the cup holder had like a tab over here and a tab over here, so I just kind of wiggled it a bit and pulled it out. Put it over here with the side panels. So now we have access to the cigarette lighter panel. It just shows you what it looks like inside. So the car's off. I'm unplugging the power to the cigarette panel. Get a better look at this and pop out one of these panels. So let's try popping in the new USB port. Okay, so the USB is popped in. Glad I got the right size. I got the smaller size. I think it's a 1.3. So that's the one to get for this 2010 Rav4. Now we'll try hooking up the power and go from there. So the cigarette power plug we inserted here. And now we're going to put this into the cigarette lighter itself. Snapped it in. We'll put this back. Sliding up, so it looks good. Okay, so originally I snapped this in, but I took it out so I could put the cup holder back. So let me do that right now. So we have the cup holder. Now I'm going to see if I can put this back in, and then I'll screw down the cup holder and then do the shift plate. Okay, so we want to make sure the cup holder is nice and flush here underneath the cigarette plate. I'll do the screws now and then do the shifter plate. Both screws are in, cup holder's feeling solid. This is feeling solid. Now we just have to put this in and the side trim. Just snaps right in. It's just a big Lego set. So let's do the side trim. Left side's in. I'll grab the right side. Right side's in. Okay, so here's the end result. Fortunately, everything fit back together pretty easily. No extra pieces lying around. We'll test it out. I'll turn on the car. Lights up. Have my phone plugged in. It's charging. So I think we're okay.